What's up everyone, welcome to Finance with Tony. I'm Tony and here we are sharing some ideas about a frugal lifestyle. I'm a two-time entrepreneur and I decided to start this channel with an observation of my city where I live now to make easier and better understand how my financial habits playing on the ground and how my financial habits are implemented in my lifestyle. So I live here in Novosibirsk City. It is an unofficial capital of Siberia. Novosibirsk has a population of 1.6 million people, and I live like 15 minutes on foot from here. And at the moment we are near the Gagarinskaya subway station. On the background you can see some housing, and also we are on the Red Square. We are on the. I'll give you the scope. I'll give you the scope what's going on in this evening on the Red Avenue here in Novosibirsk City, and also again here's housing, and also this huge inflatable on the background is a shopping. There is a shopping mall that's called Royyal Park. But right behind me is a huge inflatable slide. It is a huge inflatable slide. I mean, for amusement of people who go, shoppers who go in, clients who go into this shopping mall. It is a typical shopping mall for Novosibirsk Center, for Novosibirsk City. Sorry, that's called Royyal Park shopping mall, and here's the inflatable slide. The inflatable slide. Actually, it's the couple of them here. I mean, here, yeah. The people crowding outside. It is roughly 75 degrees Fahrenheit this evening, and of course except of noise it's quite a good place to be. Yeah, right. So on the opposite part of the street we'll have some housing. Also feel free to check out the average price of apartments, one-bedroom apartments here on the comments below, but it starts from, I guess, $30,000. I mean, to buy an one-bedroom apartment with like 350 square feet, 370 square feet, something like that, will cost just $30,000. I mean, it's of course it also depends on the community, on the building, and also many factors. But overall, we have rock bottom prices and really affordable cost of living here, taking into account that there is little wonder that we have rock bottom prices, because the currency rate of Russian currency steadily decreased, and or exchange rate of Russian currency steadily decreased, and so on the background you can see again this nice inflatable slide or slides. Yeah, I can't figure out what is the next one. It's definitely not slide, but if you know, you can write this in the comments below. So I guess nice attraction for this shopping mall. Nice shot. And also on the background you can see some business centers, shopping malls as well. Well, I guess let's check out the inner ear.
С механическим приводом.
Шоколад тяжелый.
So there's something broken, something just happened with this door at the moment, and it is really funny. I mean, people was shockingly surprised, and I'm too. It's the first time to see such things. So it's just an accident, you know. I mean, just incident. So here's a typical shopping mall, and also it has multi-story underground parking, and also a lot of boutiques, and also typical stuff for like perfume shops, and also all possible stuff for shopping malls. Here is a mattresses shop or sleep shop. No, it's not the proper name for this. So I started studying. By the way, I started studying English when I turned 33, and so I apologize in advance if for my grammar. Hopefully my content just overweight my speaking skills. So on the background you can see some typical shopping space. Coffee space, or it's a coffee shop, right, or cafeteria that called Prime Time. There's just this type open space. Open space coffee shops is a typical thing for shopping malls here in Siberia, and well, there are electronics and other things. Of course, say some various attraction and also even fitness heroes. English naming, English brands. I mean, like even local brands create in English is really popular. I mean, it wouldn't be you won't travel, you won't be puzzled, you won't be in trouble. If you'll understand, I guess, most part of brands just reading English, and also this navigation. I mean, like, yeah, this navigation point, nice digital screens. You can see this. Yeah. Feel free to check out my other videos with shopping malls in Novosibirsk City. I guess it's one of the nice reasons to go to Novosibirsk City. And also on the background you can see Apple store. It's I mean, like Siberian version. They have I guess some special prices by Apple, and I mean it's an resale, of course. Obviously, it's a resale. It's the reseller of Apple, and they have plenty of such studios or such stores. Stores. Plenty of such stores. Across Siberia, across all of Russia. So usually these types of chairs, massage chairs, you can use for free, like it is a promotion, and they just hope that in some way, someday you'll decide to buy this, but basically it's free. And I mean, here, using here this massage chairs is free. Also some sportwear, of course. Sports is sports are basically or sport is a common thing that brings us together, because people in Siberia speak in 40 different languages, and 10 of them are official. 40 different languages, and 10 of them are official. And of course, here's the bags, also bags shop. So I wouldn't mind to spend more time, I guess, here. I'm not really sure that it would be something really interesting for you, but yeah, actually it's nice. I mean, look at this bench, yeah. So here's the Traveler's Coffee. Traveler's Coffee was founded by Christopher Tara Brown from the United States, from California. I'm not really sure, maybe even San Francisco Bay Area, Northern California. So it is one of the first time, or maybe it is the first coffee shop. I mean, the chain of coffee shops here in Novosibirsk City, and maybe even in Russia. And my first boss, Chad German, who was who is American also, helped to start this venture when it was a venture in the early 2000s. In the early 2000s, I believe it was. Yeah. I believe Chad German joined this business in 2004, something like that, and it was really bizarre for me to hear about coffee shops business. You know, like capitalism here started from scratch, and after Berlin Wall fell down. So, and after a few decades, we have some playgrounds like this in shopping malls. Obviously, it's free, and look at it. It is many attractions in shopping malls, and well, here's a competition. I mean, in terms of massage chairs, jewelry, of course. Jewelry, you know, Siberia has plenty of tangible assets and a lot of businesses, and also every shopping mall has open space with food court like this, right? And I'm pretty sure you're familiar with these styles, with these brands. Burger King, right? KFC, right? And other brands, local brands. Cuisina is a local candy shops where you can buy cheesecakes and also apple pies, Zuckertorts, and so on here. So guys, I really appreciate your attention and really appreciate your interest. Thanks for coming along, and please remember to subscribe with notifications. There will be more, and also, yeah, so last video. Siberia is a melting pot of cultures, and is the largest place in the world for live people, is 1/10 of the world's land mass. So the entrance, the doors are working, and everything is fine. And thanks for coming along, guys, and remember to subscribe, and please press thumbs up and with notifications, and please press thumbs up, and remember to subscribe with notifications. Please subscribe with notifications, and again, thanks for coming along, and have an awesome day.